Hello and welcome to Inforce Tac TV, the digital platform of the Enforce Tac here in Nuremberg. We are here at the Sellmark booth together with Atanas. Atanas, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
we
you.
are rolling over two brands of the Sellmark group, and this will be the Dark 30 brand and Inforce lights. And we are starting with the Dark 30 device, and let's roll about it. What is the device made for? What is the purpose of the device?
Okay, today we are showcasing the Dark 30 camera. The model is called the Defiance. It's a thermal camera mounted on a fan tilt mechanism with the concept to be mounted on a vehicle. A Jeep, a service vehicle, or whatever vehicle it's needed to be mounted on.
So it's also strictly engineered for surveillance and for security, military, law enforcement. And how fast can you mount this on a car? So what are your options to mount it on a vehicle?
To be honest, I think we have never measured the time to take it out of the box and mount it on the vehicle, but for sure it will not take more than a couple of minutes.
And you are, how is the power supply of the device?
The device is powered by the
12 volt?
12 volt socket of the car. You plug it there, then all the connections are with cable. You might think that that's a downside, but the idea here is to have zero latency in the video.
Mm-hmm.
So you're seeing almost the fully instant shot of what you're seeing with your eyes also.
And how do you operate? So the whole package comes with a thermal camera device itself, that it goes to the top or the back of the car, or a mounting platform or something like this. And you work with it comes with a panel, so with a tablet and a remote device.
Yeah, the camera itself you can mount on the top of the car or on the hood. Then the camera is supplied in a kit also with the screen, with the remote. The screen is placed on the inside window, the front window. Then you have the remote, which with the remote you control the pan tilt mechanism, so you can do a 360 turn around yourself and also 45 degrees up and down.
And you're not getting stressed or be involved to a bad environment, like when you have weather, raining, snow or something like this. You can sit inside of the car and have the full control of the device on top or in front of the car.
Exactly. I personally used the camera 2 weeks ago. In Bulgaria right now we have heavy winter. So we went to the mountains where the camera was mounted on an off-road Jeep. Outside it was around probably minus 15 degrees Celsius. And we were sitting comfortably inside the Jeep and doing a scan around us for animals.
So this is also another purpose of the camera. It's for hunting, especially when you have to hunt in larger regions or with flat meadows or something like this. You're able to spot or sit on a specific place where you set up your rifle setup, maybe on a tripod or something like this, and you sit in the car spotting for animals. Hide out there for what is the range, the detecting range of the device?
The detecting range of the camera is around 1,000 meters, 1,100 probably. You know, at that distance you see only a couple of pixels. Mm-hmm. But that would be enough for you to understand that there's something alive there.
Yeah, there's a threat or animal or something like that.
Or a vehicle, for example.
Yeah. So it's interesting. And otherwise, the pricing of the device is, or with which mounting solutions did it come from? Do you have sockets, magnets, or something like this, or what will you provide for the set?
The complete set comes with 3 mounting options. One of them is mounting magnets that are very, very strong, so they get the camera stuck to your roof or hood, as we mentioned already. The second option is the vacuums, so it can suck via suction cups to the body of the car. And then we have the extreme option to drill,
like
Yes.
we see here on the
Yes.
table.
to drill the hood or the roof of the car, but that I believe will only be done to service cars, to security companies and things like that.
Or specific platforms like Metal Made or something like this when you have a duty car or something like.
Exactly.
So you're good to go.
Absolutely.
So is it already available for the German market?
It is. The camera is represented on the German market. So everybody who has interest in it can contact us for further information or to close the deal.
We put the information about the manufacturer inside of the video description, and we jump right to the next brand, which will be Inforce. And here we are at the Inforce area here at the Sellmark booth, and we are rolling about the new product line of Inforce.
Exactly, that's the ARC series from Inforce. Weapon lights, now not only weapon lights, we also have the handhelds, which is the new thing in the Inforce portfolio. So we have two models for the weapon, for the rifles, and we have two handheld models.
So they are from the power and the sizes they are similar, but they are the only difference is the mountable option to the rifle.
There are several options actually. Two sizes. You see, this is the handheld. Also, the one for the rifle looks very similar, but it has the mount here beneath, so you can mount it via M-lock to the rifle. On the other hand, the handheld has no mount for a rifle, because when you hold it in your hand, you do not want to have excessive details on the body.
But you're still able to mount it like the old-fashioned way with a flashlight mount, a ring or something like this. So you're still able to do that with this one.
I guess so. I say guess because that would be an aftermarket solution.
Okay. So, and different sizes means also different kind of performance. So what are the main differences between the larger and the smaller ones?
That's a very logical question. The difference between the small one and the big one is in the output power. The big one has 1,400 lumens at max, while the small one has 1,200. The big one and the small one are very different in terms of runtime. The big one will run for 2 hours and 45 minutes at max, while the small one with the smaller battery will go only for 45 minutes.
So smaller battery is one of these interesting parts. So on the large one, we use in 18650, so
Exactly.
the longer ones.
Yeah.
And on the smaller ones, we have the 350 version, so much shorter ones. So then also has a reason, so because you have to shrink it down, you're not able to work with a larger battery, and even you have to shrink down the performance also a little bit. But it comes with the size, comes the right amount of performance.
That's absolutely right.
So is it already available? Is it already launched even for law enforcement in Germany? Or is it possible to pick it up as a law enforcement unit in Germany?
Absolutely. As you mentioned, law enforcement, that's the core purpose of these lights. They are already on the market. They are available to everybody who might use it. That's the law enforcement. That's all types of professional operators, security companies, or whatever. We can find probably 1,000 users, especially for the handheld.
Yes, especially for the handhelds. That's the point, because this one is also be available for the civilian market. So you are, as a regular guy out there, you're also able to get this by yourself, because there is no function of mounting systems on the body or something like this. So a great opportunity for your guys out there to have a Inforce handheld device in your portfolio or in your collection. And like Adanas told me already, all the models that you see here on the table are mil-spec certified. So you have the old-fashioned Inforce quality, stability, and mil-spec graduation. When you have questions about the products that we are showing here on the table or for the Dark 30 products, then please let us know. Put something in the comments, and when you like the video, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and the important thing is hit the bell for the latest and newest Enforce Tac TV videos. We are out. Thank you very much. See you on the next video. Bye bye.
Bye bye.